Hello, hello. So I'm just leaving the hair salon. I just got my hair highlighted. I feel like it looks so good. I freaking love it. I feel my best when I just had my hair highlighted. I just feel like fresh and beachy and like it has more dimension. I think it looks better in photographs. And yeah, so I wanted to take you guys along with me and make a full video all about my hair, what I do to keep my hair healthy, kind of my hair routine, and take you guys to the salon with me, because I feel like one of my most asked questions about my hair is what do I request, what do I ask for at the hair salon? So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. I'm actually just gonna rewind this video to the beginning when I'm arriving to the salon and show you guys exactly what I asked for. So I am just pulling up to the Ramirez Tran salon. I go see Johnny. He is my absolute favorite, and he's the only person that I've trusted to do my highlights in a few years. So my hair is not bad right now, but it's not great either. Obviously I didn't style it today since I'm about to get it highlighted, but I feel like most of my highlights have grown out. I still have a few in the front and a little bit on the tips. My hair looks so scraggly today because I went out last night and I fell asleep with my hair wet. I usually just get my hair highlighted once a year, and that's kind of my secret for one, keeping it like more healthy, because the more you get it highlighted and the more it's like bleached and processed, the more damage it's gonna be. And also I kind of like the look. My favorite is after I've gotten it highlighted and it's grown out for like a month or two. So I'm just gonna take you guys inside with me and see if Johnny is cool with me filming in there, and we'll just kind of talk you guys through it, and I'll tell you what I get done to my hair. So I just parked and masked up, and I'm gonna head inside now. Okay, so one of the things I like to do when I get to the salon is I pull up inspiration photos for them. So I'll basically go through my Instagram or other girls that have incredible hair and screenshot some inspo photos to show my hairdresser, because that makes it so much easier for them to see exactly what you want versus just, you know, telling them, oh, I want some highlights around the front and the tips. It makes it easier if you can show them exactly what you're looking for. So I really like my hair in this photo. I'm just gonna take a screenshot to show him. I like that it's highlighted on the tips and around my face. So these are a few that I've pulled up for inspo. I really like when it's super blonde around my face and just like really beachy, but still natural, so that when it grows out, it still looks okay. So these are the ones that I'm gonna show Johnny for what I want, but honestly he knows exactly what to do, so he'll get the gist of it. Thank you. Sorry I have pictures, but you already know. Like, I mean, this was a few days ago, honestly, but like I feel like the light and the filter and everything made it just pop even more. So I just like, you know, like really blonde around these pieces, around the face and on the ends and stuff, like the same thing I pretty much always show you, but I'm loving like really blonde on these front.
Have you been flipping your hair lately, like to one, like favoring one side?
No, I'm always just like, sometimes start in the middle and then I'll flip it either side during the day.
Alright.
So
your hair's got long. These pieces got really long. So
yeah, I literally haven't cut it in like a year, other than me cutting it myself during quarantine. Like just going to town with my scissors. So
I've never seen your hair this long, which is good, because now it's gonna be like a really blonde beachy pop. Like,
yeah, I don't mind. Like it's kind of like frazzled, but I honestly don't even mind it because I just like it long.
Yeah.
So I wanted to vlog it, and I wanted to ask you because I got so many messages from people all the time asking what they should ask their hairdresser to do, like the look that you do.
I mean, for me, what I love doing is I like doing very like just that beach kiss color, and so anything that can have like a really natural grow out. Yeah. Because when was the last time we did your color?
Probably maybe Jan. Was it as soon as January? And I usually wait even longer. I usually wait until after the holidays, but I'm just getting impatient and I'm bored because
like 10 months ago, right?
A long time ago.
And it can still keep going.
Yeah.
I think the question is, you know, just getting that color that won't have a line of demarcation as it grows out. Yeah. And so if they can create something that will have such a soft effortless grow out. I
Right.
think that's key.
Yeah, that's what I love. It's like as it grows out, it like almost gets better like a month or two later, because then it looks like it's really just from the sun, and there's never like that line.
And that's why I've always called it like very lit dim.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't look like you just got it done.
Right.
But it doesn't look like you need to get it done.
Right.
It looks like it's been living in your hair that way for a while.
Yeah. It's like you don't have to keep up with it, but I always kind of want to just because it's like prettiest whenever it's fresh.
Give me like at least 3 or 4 clips that you use like comfortably in your pictures, like confidently that you use. Like just so I see where you set up.
Probably around here-ish.
Okay, that's one.
And then if I go the other way, there-ish.
Okay.
Or middle.
Alright.
But sometimes I feel like it's like a deeper flip. I don't know. You know, I just like literally throw it. However, and I also clip in my like extensions under there a lot of times. But yeah.
Do you wear it in a ponytail a lot or like?
Yeah, like I throw it up in like a bun.
Or?
Usually like here-ish. Or lately I've been doing a lot of like put the front pieces down. Which is why I think they'll look really pretty blonde. Maybe not much. And then like twist it like that.
Okay.
You know, like the 90s girl look.
Yeah.
Looks like I have horns. This is the first set of highlights. It's already so much blonder on my face, and after the second round, it's gonna look so nice.
It better.
Right.
The pressure is on.
Now it has to, so the rest of the video will suck. No, it always looks so good here. Did you guys purposefully place these horns there? And this is the final result. Johnny absolutely killed it like he always does. There's so much dimension. I love the like highlighted pieces in the front. I think it just really pops, and that's also really in right now, especially because I do a lot of this hairdo where I keep like the front pieces down and then I clip the rest up, and I think that looks so pretty when they're like lighter than the rest. I'm alone in my car, so I'm gonna try to show you guys the back. I don't know if you'll get to see it, the gist of it. But yeah, I think he did an amazing job. So now I'm just gonna get into my hair care routine for you guys. Hi guys, welcome to my bathroom where I'm going to be showing you my hair care routine. Little disclaimer, there might be a lot of background noise because my window is open, but it's the only way to get good light in here. So, to start, I haven't styled my hair yet because I thought it would be kind of important to show you guys what my natural hair texture is. So, this is my natural hair after I pretty much let it air dry. I showered last night, so I guess you would say that my hair is, it's voluminous, it's a bit wavy, textury, not really curly, not really straight. I don't know how to describe this, but I thought I would show you guys. This is what it looks like. And also to kind of show you guys how the color turned out. So, I am going to style my hair. If you guys want to see how I did it, I'll link my hairstyling video below. And I also thought that it would only be fair to let you guys know that I do use clip-in hair extensions. I use these about 50% of the time. They're from a brand called Luxie Hair, and I'll put the color down below somewhere for you guys. But anyways, I'm gonna go style my hair and then get started with the hair care routine. Alright, so this is how my hair looks normally. I feel like this is what you guys are used to seeing on my Instagram. I did add clip-ins to it and I curled it. Again, like I said, I do have a tutorial where I showed how I style my hair, so I'll link that somewhere, so if you guys want to see that, you can go there. But otherwise, I'm going to jump right into my hair care routine. Okay, so first things first, my shampoo and conditioner.
So what I've been using for the past few months is from Gisou. They're super cute. These are the honey infused hair wash and the honey infused conditioner. This is Megan Marcelli's line, and they did send me these. They smell absolutely incredible. So it leaves your hair smelling so delicious all day. And I feel like it's been working really well for my hair. They are a bit pricey. So I want to share with you guys what I'm using like from the drugstore. So I use this all the time whenever I'm traveling. Or just whenever I'm at the grocery store and want to pick up some shampoo and conditioner. It is called the Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo. It's also a honey shampoo. I just love the smell of honey. Looks like this. So if you guys aren't wanting to spend a lot of money on shampoo and conditioner, I think this one is like one of the best ones that I've tried, like from the drugstore or from the grocery store. And also leaves your hair smelling really, really nice. So something else that I do at least once a week is a hair mask. These are two of my favorite hair masks. We have the Gisou hair mask, which is delicious. I really love this. I like it even more than the shampoo and conditioner that they have. This, I did it last night. It does leave your hair so soft, so silky and shiny. And again, the smell is like really addictive. So I'm big on like having everything around me smell good. And whenever my hair is smelling good after a hair mask, I'm just like all day long. Then the other one that I love is from Moroccanoil. This is the Weightless Hydrating Mask. And this one is really nice as well. Also smells really good, and I do this about once a week. There is one other that I don't have with me, but another favorite of mine is the Oribe Gold Lust Mask. And I'm also alternating with that one all the time, but I just ran out. So I put that in my hair at least once a week. I usually put it in the morning on like a Saturday, and I will leave it in my hair all day long. Sometimes it says on the back of the package, like leave it on 25 minutes. I'll leave it on like a good 8-9 hours so that it really soaks in. And whenever I wash it out, my hair is so soft. So that's what I like to do for hair masks. Another thing you could do is sleep with it in, but I'm really picky and I don't like the feeling of having the hair mask on my pillowcase. Another amazing alternative to hair mask that I like to do is coconut oil. Again, I ran out, I don't have any with me, but I love putting coconut oil in my hair, especially if you kind of heat it up in the microwave and get it warm and you put it in your hair like a hot oil treatment. I'll put that in my hair and sometimes literally leave it all weekends long, like Saturday through Sunday, and then wash it out Sunday night, and it's soaked in for 2 days and leaves your hair so healthy. So I typically wash my hair in the evening time, and whenever I get out, I always put a serum in. The serum that I'm using is also from Gisou. This is really nice, and it helps like detangle your hair, and it's really nourishing. So I always put a serum in my hair at night, and then I also put it in the morning on dry hair or after I curl it. So I just use 1 dropper full, maybe a half dropper when my hair is dry. I use more oil when my hair is wet. I don't know, it seems to absorb it better than when it's dry. And then I really focus it on the ends of my hair. It smells so good, makes your hair shiny. So I always use a hair serum, as well as this is Briogeo Farewell Frizz Conditioning Milk. This is something I also use on wet hair whenever I get out of the shower. So I actually don't want to spray it on my curls because I don't want it to drop them, but I spray this on whenever I get out of the shower on wet hair, and then I follow up with the hair oil. Another thing that I do to take care of my hair is I always use a heat protectant spray. So the one I'm using right now, again, is from Gisou. They sent me a package that has so much stuff from them, and it does work really well. It's a great hair heat protectant, but you could also use pretty much any other brand as long as you're using some kind of heat protectant before you curl or straighten your hair or blow dry it, just to keep it protected. Other than that, I'm pretty low maintenance with my hair. I would say my biggest hair tip is that I hardly blow dry it. I hardly blow dry it, and whenever I do, I try to let it air dry for at least 30 minutes before so that it's half dry, and then I just do a rough blow dry. If you're blowing out your hair every day with a round brush, it's super damaging. And with my career, I've had a lot of people curling, blow drying, straightening, doing all kinds of different things to my hair. So I just make sure that I'm putting as little heat damage on it as possible. So I curl it at least 2 or 3 times a week, which isn't the best for my hair, but other than that, I really try to let my hair air dry as much as possible, and I feel like that has helped keep my hair a lot healthier than it should be, as well as only getting my hair highlighted like once a year, because if you're going and getting your hair highlighted every 3 months, all that bleach is going to cause a lot of damage. So I try to do it as minimally as possible and get the kind of highlights that grow out over time. I genuinely think these highlights are going to look even better in a month or 2 whenever they're kind of grown out. That's always when they look the best, and then it makes it easy and low maintenance for me to keep up with. I think that's pretty much it for my hair care routine. The only other thing I would suggest is investing in a claw clip. I'm obsessed with this versus using these little hair ties that kind of pull out and snag your hair. It's super nice because whenever you're doing your makeup or whatever, you can just clip it out of your face. It doesn't pull on it at all, and it also looks really cute. So that's it for my hair care routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.